and welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to make half double crochet stitch. This stitch is very easy and used in various projects. First we will make a slip knot. Now make a chain. If you are absolute beginner, please check how to hold yarn and make a chain and a slip knot. I will leave a link in description box. This is chain. Now from the third stitch, 1, 2 and third stitch, we will make our first half double crochet stitch, yarn over, leave 1 and second stitch. From third stitch, we insert our hook, yarn over, pull this loop. Now we have 3 loops in this hook, yarn over again and pull all the 3 loops. We make our first half double crochet stitch. In the same way, we make another stitch, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over again, pull the loop. Now we have 3 loops in my hook, yarn over, this is the second stitch, again yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull this loop and complete your stitch. Similarly, we will make all these stitches. If you have any confusion, leave your doubt in the comment section. Ask me any question with your project photo in my Facebook group. I will always there to help you. The link is in the description box. Now our first row is complete. Make 2 chains. This is our turning chain. Turn your piece. Now yarn over again. We will make second row. Insert hook in this stitch. Yarn over again. Pull loop and complete the stitch. Similarly, we make all the stitches to complete the second row.